Hey guys, check out the GoFiltr 32-ounce Alkaline Water Bottle Kit. It comes with 2 all-natural mineral infusers and a vacuum-insulated stainless steel bottle. This setup turns your tap water into ionized 9.5 pH alkaline water in minutes. Each infuser lasts for up to 3 months or 750 refills to keep you hydrated. The durable powder-coated bottle keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. You can even track your usage and refills easily using the free mobile app. Grab this awesome kit today and elevate your daily hydration routine. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.